Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document. In the last few years, this has become very easy. You don't need any third-party software or shady site to help with the conversion. Having Microsoft Word is enough. So over here I have a sample PDF file. It has lots of text and an image as well. I'll keep this file open as a reference, but we don't need it to be open. For the first step, I'm going to open a Word document. Next, I need to click on File in the top left corner. This opens a screen with your recent or pinned Word documents. What we are going to do here is drag our PDF file into the same space as our recent Word files. When I release the mouse button, Word provides us with a warning. It basically says that a PDF will now convert to an editable Word document and that there might be some minor differences compared to the original file. This can take a while depending on the PDF file size and the strength of your PC. This method normally works for almost all PDF files, but I have experienced some issues with very large files myself. If the conversion fails the first time and the process gets stuck, it's worth it to close everything and try once more. As you can see, the conversion has been a success and we now have a new Word file. Now when I compare the two files, there are a few minor details that are different in the newly created .doc file. For instance, the picture in our PDF file has a circular shape, while the picture in the Word file has a square shape. There is also a small difference in the subheader education. In the original, it's underlined properly, while in the new document, the line slightly overlaps the text. Both of these are easy to fix if you want to stay as close to the original as possible. To fix the picture, you can click on it. Next, select the Picture Format tab in the top right corner. In Picture Format, you can adjust the shape of your picture style. We are going to change it to a circle, like in the original PDF file. Our example doesn't have a border, so I'm going to remove that as well. I'm going to click on Picture Border and select the No Outline option. To fix the line under Education, you can hover over the line with your mouse. When you do this, a 4-arrow icon appears. You can then click on it and drag it slightly down. Now, our two files look the same. You can edit other parts of the Word document as you please. Keep in mind that for a password-protected PDF, this method won't work as you still need a password to unlock it. This concludes our short tutorial on how to convert a PDF to a Word document. Make sure to subscribe if you want to watch more software-related content. Questions or comments are always welcome. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.